Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. So today we have an app or a game you can say, which is basically a design game. So you get various scenarios in this. You get a table chair like your study table, or you get a living room, or you can also choose your bathroom sink system, your bathroom wash basin system, wherein you can design the tiles or whatever furniture is there. So before we start, I would request you to please subscribe to my channel and like the video as well. So let's start. So the name of the app is Redecor Home Design Makeover. So basically, in this you get various scenarios. You can choose the scenario depending upon your choice or your mood, and then you can make the changes in the design. You can change the material of what the specific component is built, and on completing the design, you also get some points. So let's get to the mobile screen and see how we can use this app or how we can play this game. So here's the app guys, Redecor Home Design Makeover. So this is how you can choose various scenarios or various situations, and then you can design it. So I have already downloaded, so let's just open the app. So design. So as you open, you have this tabs over here. So in the first tab you get to see designs of various artists who have designed. So basically this is a artist who have designed this what you called this study table, you can say. Similarly for this, and so on. So it's a kind of a feed of design. So this is a living room wherein this is your TV and this is your furniture. So similar way you can go in this tab. So here you get to know like what lessons you have completed and everything, what your status, it has all your statistics. And let's just go to cart. So here you can buy some stuffs by paying to the app, and here are some collection of items. So you can like buy these items on the costing. So you have here two different things. So one is I guess money and the other is some coins they have. So if you want to buy this, you have to pay 1250. So yes, similar way you can buy paintings. So here are paintings, you can buy arts, you can buy prints, and here is your statistics complete, like number of designs, average star, win. So let's just start. So here is the challenge. So let's just open this. So design, so it's loading. So this is the design. So basically these are not already designed, but you have to create a design for this. So you can change. So here are spots, so you can select whichever object you want to change. For example, if I select the flooring, so the flooring is selected and I get the options for different flooring. So if I choose this flooring, so yes, so I have to pay for this flooring if I like want to use it this in this image. Similarly for this flooring, so I have to pay it. It shows this dollar sign over here. And then if I go for this mat, so if I choose this mat, this color, so yes, and then likewise I can choose the pillow cover. So if I want it blue, this is paid as well. And then if I choose to change the color of the wall, so yes, so this is how you can design. You can select different aspect, different things, and you can save the design as well. So I guess no, so it gets, so you need to pay to save this design and submit it to the desired candidate. So she's the candidate. So she will give you 3100 points, whatever it is. So you need to submit the design, as per her needs. So like whatever she will like, so you need to make the changes. So here you have completed designs, so there is no completed challenge as of now. And so yes, that was it for today's app. That was it for today's walkthrough. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.